गोंयांत सद्याक इंधनाची पुरवण स्थिर आसा. पेट्रोल, डिझेल, एलपीजी हांचो फावो तितलो सांठो आसा. दर दिसा सुमार 10,600 सिलिंडर पावयतात आनी तेल कंपनी सरकारा कडेन समन्वय साधून वांटणी सुगम करतात. गिरायकांक डिजिटल बुकींग करपाचो सल्लो दिला. RDX गोवा खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Free trade LPG cylinders are concerned, around 11,000 LPG cylinders have been already been supplied in the state of Goa to all the migrant laborers and the students requiring. The commercial supply as of now is almost reaching 60%. You will be aware that initially it was 20%, it was increased to another 20%, and then it was increased to another 20%. So the commercial cylinders are now at the 60 level, which has been supplied to all. The average daily booking of domestic cylinders, which was used to be 11,400 odd before the war situation, was increased to 13,000 during the March 2026. But it has now been stable, and the present booking per day is around 8,900. We have written to all the housing societies through the municipal corporations, then the chief officers, and also the registrar of cooperative societies under whom these societies are registered. So we are also making camps in those areas where the housing societies are there. Members have been taken into confidence and they have been asked to apply for the PNG.
वॉर सिचुएशन होने के बाद पीएनजी की मांग में कुछ बढ़ोतरी आई है क्या? इसमें कुछ अब लेवल ग्राफ्स हो गए क्या?
Yes, there has been lot of new connections which have been applied for the PNG, and the connections already been given to those consumers.
गवर्नमेंट कितना सीरियस है इसके बारे में?
See, as in war situation, we have to know that this situation will continue for how long we don't know.
Yeah.
So alternate fuel is the PNG for that. So we have to depend on the PNG, and government is fully supporting the PNG, and there is no reasons to panic on that.
See, as far as stock of petrol, diesel is concerned, it is being maintained at industry level in Goa, which is varying between 10 to 15 days. जैसे अवेज होता है वैसे लाती है. Like for example, next vessel is planned on 24th and 24th, and the state government and we are keeping a close watch on that. Similarly, जो LPG का production है, 2 of the bottling plants are here in Goa only. कोंडेम में और वर्ना में है, and then one we are also getting for Belgaum. तो जो हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट है, जैसा शुरू में ही बोला था, 10,600 इज द डिलीवरी ऑफ सिलेंडर्स पर डे विच इज हैपनिंग इन गोवा. और उसके अगेंस्ट में आज के डेट में मेरी डेली एवरेज बुकिंग 8,900 आ रही है. सो यू कैन से द डेली एवरेज बुकिंग से मेरी लगभग 2,000 सिलेंडर्स की ज्यादा डिलीवरी हो रही है, अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ द पैनिक बैकलॉग विच हैज बीन क्रिएटेड. सो वी आर वेल इन कंट्रोल ऑफ द सिचुएशन, सो नथिंग टू पैनिक. सो जैसा सेक्रेटरी ने बोला है, द बेसिक पर्पज ऑफ दिस press conference is to reassure public that there's nothing to worry as far as LPG, petrol and diesel is concerned. Things are under control. Don't fall prey to the rumors.
सर आपने बताया कि डेली 2,000 की आपकी एक्स्ट्रा बुकिंग्स आ रही है.
बुकिंग नहीं आ रही है. तो मैंने बोला शुरू में जो था, हमने प्रेस ब्रीफिंग को आपका नोट भी दिया जाएगा, पीआईबी डायरेक्टर आपको देंगे. जो शुरू में नंबर बोला था, एवरेज डेली बुकिंग जो वॉर से पहले थी वो 11,412 थी.
ओके.
मार्च में ये बढ़ के 13,037 हो गई. अभी अप्रैल में ये घट करके 8,952 हो चुकी है. तो लोगों ने जो पैनिक में बाई किया है, इवेंचुअली तो वो सेटल डाउन हो जाएगा ना. लेकिन हमारी जो सप्लाई है वो स्टेबल है.